First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. In Sterling Heights, where neighborhoods are known for their well-kept properties and welcoming streets, curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived. One of the most effective ways to elevate your home's exterior look while adding charm and value is by installing bow windows. Bow windows offer more than just a visual upgrade. They bring elegance, light, and architectural interest that can completely transform how your home looks from the street. A softer, more elegant exterior look. Unlike flat window styles, bow windows gently curve outward from the exterior wall, creating a soft, rounded appearance. This subtle curve adds depth and dimension to your home's facade, making it stand out without feeling overdone. In Sterling Heights, where many homes feature traditional or transitional designs, bow windows blend seamlessly while still offering a noticeable upgrade. Their graceful shape enhances symmetry and balances exterior lines, giving your home a more polished and upscale look. Whether your home is brick, siding, or a combination of materials, bow windows complement a wide range of architectural styles. Increased natural light that shows from the outside. Bow windows are made up of multiple window panels, typically 4 or more, that face different angles. This design allows more natural light to flow into your home, which doesn't just improve the interior experience. From the outside, well-lit rooms create a warm, inviting appearance, especially during early mornings or evenings. Homes in Sterling Heights benefit greatly from this feature, particularly during the shorter daylight months. A home that appears bright and open feels more welcoming and visually appealing to neighbors and passers-by alike. A noticeable architectural focal point. One of the biggest curb appeal advantages of bow windows is their ability to act as a focal point. Instead of blending into the background, they draw the eye and add personality to your home's exterior. This is especially valuable for homes with flatter front elevations that could use added visual interest. Bow windows can be customized with frame colors, grid patterns, and trim details that match or accent your home's existing design. The result is a feature that looks intentional, refined, and custom-built rather than standard or generic. Boosting perceived home value. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it also affects how valuable a home feels. Bow windows signal quality craftsmanship and thoughtful design, which can increase perceived value for guests, neighbors, and potential buyers. In competitive housing markets like Sterling Heights, exterior upgrades that stand out can make a meaningful difference. Even if you're not planning to sell, knowing that your home looks more valuable and well-maintained adds pride of ownership. Bow windows are a long-term investment that pays off visually every day. Enhanced landscaping opportunities. Another often overlooked benefit of bow windows is how well they pair with landscaping. Their outward projection creates opportunities for flower beds, shrubs, or decorative elements beneath the window. This layered effect enhances curb appeal by adding texture and visual flow between the home and the yard. In Sterling Heights, where seasonal landscaping is popular, bow windows provide the perfect backdrop for greenery in spring and summer or clean, structured designs in fall and winter. A timeless upgrade that lasts. Trends come and go, but bow windows have a timeless appeal that remains stylish year after year. Their classic design ensures your home won't feel dated, even as exterior styles evolve. For homeowners looking to make a lasting improvement without constant updates, bow windows are an ideal choice. In Sterling Heights, bow windows are more than a window upgrade, they're a statement. By adding elegance, light, and architectural character, they dramatically improve curb appeal while enhancing the overall feel of your home. Whether you're refreshing your exterior or planning a larger renovation, bow windows offer a beautiful way to make your home stand out.